Hello dear students, myself Vinit Kumar Vasisht. Today we discuss the topic of numerical problems on solar angles. So these are the contents. Basically we have to discuss three problems in this particular lecture. So starting with the problem number 1. First we read question, that is calculate the number of daylight hours, sunshine hours in Delhi on 22 December and 22 June 1995. So here solution one by one. Firstly, we have to know about the latitude positions of different cities. So according to specified designations, that is the value of latitude is basically considered as phi, and the value of the latitude for Delhi location is 28 degree 35 minutes. So whenever we find any city, the value of phi is given. Otherwise some values like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, the value of phi we know about it. Now for 22 December, first we solve for 22 December 1995. So when we calculate, that is n number of days. So 22 December, that is 365 minus 9 days, that is n equals to 356. So we have to know n equals to 356. Then find declination angle del. So the formula of del is 23.45 sine 360 by 365 284 plus n. So putting this value of n, small n, we find the declination angle, and according to this value n equals to 356, we found the declination angle is minus 23.44 degree. Now calculate the daylight hours. So the formula of calculating the daylight hours is n equals to 2 by 15 cos inverse minus tan phi tan del. That is whenever we put the values of we have del value, then phi value. So the value, whenever we putting these values, that we find the value of number of daylight hours, that is 10.18 hours. So this is the solution of problem 1 part 1. Similarly we have find 22 June 1995, we find number of days. So after calculating the number of days, the number of days is 173. So similarly for previous section, that is del declination angle 23.45 sine 360 by 365 284 plus n. For after putting the values of n, we find the declination angle, that is 23.45 degree, and number of daylight hours equals to 2 by 15 cos inverse minus tan phi tan del. Putting this value, we find the 13.82 hours. So this is the total solution of problem number 1. Now coming to the another problem, that is the problem number 2. Calculate zenith angle of the sun at New Delhi at 2:30 p.m. on 20 Feb 2019. So here the solution, phi as we already discussed, that is the location of New Delhi. We have find the value of the latitude. So it is a standard value, that is 28 degree 35 minutes. For calculating 20 Feb 2019, we calculate the number of days, that is 20 Feb 2019, we calculate the day number of days, that is n equals to 51. According to n equals to 51, we find the declination angle. According to that is del equals to 23.45 sine 360 by 365 284 plus n. Putting this value of n, we find the declination angle, that is minus 11.58 degree. Now we count the hour angle, that is omega, that is standard time minus 12 into 15 degree. So whenever we talk about the standard time, that is the 2:30 p.m. So standard time is 24 hours format. So that is 14.30, but 30 is the half, not a half value. So 14.50 minus 12 into 15 degree. After calculating, we find the hour angle, that is 37.5 degree. For putting the value of find the zenith angle, we put the equation cos theta z equals to cos phi cos del cos omega plus sin del into sin phi. Putting the values of different type of angles, we find the zenith angle. Cos phi, we known the value of phi, del we already calculated, omega we have to calculate earlier. So all the angles value we have. So putting the value of these angles, we find the zenith angle in the terms of cos theta z, that is 0.587, and theta z equals to cos inverse 0.587. So the value of the zenith angle is 54.03 degree. So this is the solution of problem number 2. Now this is the another problem number 3. Calculate the day's solar radiation on horizontal surface in the absence of the atmosphere at latitude 30 degree and north on 31 May 2015. So the solution procedure is same. First one, we know about the value of the latitude. In this question, the value of latitude of the location is given, that is 30 degree. So phi equals to 30 degree. Then next step is calculate the number of days. So 31 May 2015, that calculation of the number of days, that is n equals to 151 days. After calculating number of days, the next step is calculate the declination angle, that is del 23.45 sine 360 by 365 284 plus n equals to 21.90 degree. So after calculating this particular the value of declination angle, then in this problem we have to find the sunset hour angle, that is represented by omega s. So omega s equals to cos inverse minus tan phi into tan del. So the value of phi and del we already calculated. So putting this value, we find the sunset hour angle, that is 103.41 degree. Now the we have calculated the days daily solar radiation on a horizontal surface. It have a special formula, that is 24 into 3600 upon pi into ISC 1 plus 0.033 cos 360 n by 365 into cos phi cos del sin omega s plus 2 pi omega s by 360 sin phi into sin del. So this equation, as we already calculated, that is the pi is the constant value, I is the solar constant value, it already fixed 1367, and n we already calculated, phi we already calculated, del we already calculated, omega s earlier we calculate the sunset hour angle. The values of all angle and including solar constant we calculated. So putting this value, we find the daily solar radiation on a horizontal surface. So the value of the daily solar radiation on a horizontal surface is H node equals to 40.87 megajoule per meter square. So here is the solution of the problem number 3. So thank you from my side.